If you want to remove an object from a photo on a Redmi 15, then you can try to use the Photos app that we can find in the app drawer. It is a pre-installed app by Google, and this app is pretty much the same as Gallery, and it has some editing features. So if we go to edit over here, then you should be able to switch to actions, and there is the magic eraser that you can try to use. However, in my case, unfortunately, this didn't seem to work. Although we can technically go ahead and use it, it was loading all the time without the end, and I couldn't just make it work. So for some reason it didn't work for me. So instead, if that app also doesn't work for you, we can go ahead and open the Play Store, and we can download another app that provides a similar feature. And that app is Snapseed. There we go. This is another app also made by Google that we can install on our smartphone, and it provides multiple different editing tools, including the object removal. So once we install it, we're gonna open it. Now we can tap anywhere on the screen, and we need to choose a photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Let's see if it's gonna work. Now in this case, we're gonna go to Tools, and over here we need to use a tool that is called Healing. So you want to select Healing, select the subject that we wish to get rid of. So I'm gonna select this area over here, and there we go, it is removed. We can also try to fix shadows over here that are left over, and there we go, it looks pretty well, I would say. So now we're gonna press this check over here in the bottom right corner. There we go. Now go to export, and we can save. And there we go. Soon after that, we should be able to see our photo. And over here we can also find export, which is a copy of our photo, same as the save one. But sizing, format, and quality can be changed in the settings menu in this case. So apparently it is a little bit different. Nevertheless, let's actually open the gallery now to see if we can find our photo. And there it is. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.